Welcome to our full guide on the latest Delta Executor mobile update. This tool is essential for any Roblox player on Android looking to enhance their gaming experience. Let's dive into the new features included in this update, designed specifically to improve gameplay and ease of use. Now, follow me as I take you through a step-by-step installation guide for Delta Executor Mobile on your Android device. For optimal performance, let's set up Delta Executor Mobile correctly to ensure a smoother gameplay experience. The new user interface is sleek and user-friendly, making navigation much simpler for both new and experienced users. With this update, explore various new scripts and functionalities that open up exciting possibilities for your games. When using Delta Executor Mobile, it's important to adhere to safe usage tips to enhance your overall gaming experience. Let's take a moment to compare the latest version with previous releases, highlighting the significant improvements. And finally, let's look at some community feedback. Players have been excited about the enhancements and features that the update brings. To wrap it up, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for support or explore our resources for Delta Executor Mobile.